What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because once again we are forming a really interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. If you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now, the main area that I'm currently watching is this resistance area and this bullish order block. This resistance area is between levels 0.3671 and 0.3623, and this support area is between levels, or like this bullish order block, is between levels 0.352 and 0.3483. First potential long opportunity will be valid here in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you want to place under this resistance area, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. The main reason why I want to wait here for that support confirmation is that historically you can see we only had here a fake out, which means that you don't want to buy the breakout itself because there is still pretty high probability that the market will do something like this. But in case of a support confirmation, this can be really good long opportunity. Last take profit target in this case you can place above this bearish order block, which is between level 0.4256 and 0.4206. This trade will give you potential profit around like 16% and potential risk to reward like 9.29. So if you will use leverage, the potential profit here can be really great. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this previous high, then under this first bearish order block, which is between level 0.4047 and 0.4009, and you want to take it, for example, like somewhere around these areas, then definitely above this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to the last take profit target. The reason why I am placing the last take profit targets in this scenario is that, in my opinion, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test liquidity above this bearish order block and also above this previous high. So the last take profit target can be like actually like around somewhere like around these levels, which will give you a risk reward ratio up to 9.83. Of course, if you are gonna take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be lower. So if you will take like 3-4 take profit targets, which I recommend doing with a trade like this, then the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 6-5 something like that, which is in my opinion really good setup. Second trading scenario that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a retest and then a liquidity grab under this bullish order block. So as I said, I want to see here a liquidity grab under and then a support confirmation. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block, and stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume something like this. Your last take profit target you can then place on exact same level as with the previous setup. So in this trade the potential risk to reward will be like 15.36 and potential profit like 22% of a net market, yeah, something like that. And the only difference between these two trading scenarios is that you want to take some of the profits under this resistance area. So some of the profits you definitely want to take slightly under and then slightly above, or like you can use it as only one take profit target. That's definitely up to you and up to a trading strategy that you will decide to use. And if you, for example, want to help with trading and you want to know about the exact coins that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's now take a look on a higher time frame. If I'm gonna switch to a daily chart, you can still watch here this resistance area that I showed you. So the breakout itself and then a support confirmation, in this case on a daily time frame, can be another really interesting long opportunity. The only difference with the setup that I showed you on that lower time frame is that with this trade you can speculate to this second bearish order block, which will give you a potential risk to reward like 21, and this bearish order block is between levels 0.5104 and 0.492. 3.5. So again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, large amount of the profits take under this first bearish order block. You can adjust stop loss in this trade because yeah, you are like speculating for like 40% of a net market. You can have here like 3-4% stop loss, and the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like absolutely insane. But the better setup that I'm currently watching on this time frame will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows. So if we are gonna take a liquidity under and then there will be a support confirmation, I will be definitely opening here a new long trade. Stop loss in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, last take profit targets above this bearish order block, or if you want to have here, let's say, really long-term long scenario, then like be my guest and trade it something like here, something like this, which will give you with like stop loss 4.75%, a potential risk to reward like 28.3, which is like yeah, really crazy, and you can use these bearish order blocks as a potential take profit targets. In my opinion, there is really high probability that in the upcoming bull market this coin will get to these levels. You just need to snipe the perfect bottom, and if you will wait here for that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, then I think that if you like compare the probability of this successful trade with this risk reward ratio, then this trade is definitely worth it. So as I said, if there will be liquidity grab with a support confirmation in my VIP trading group, I will be definitely sharing a long signal. And if you are interested about, let's say, really long-term long position, then weekly time frame is definitely up to you. I need to say that opening some long position on a weekly time frame, like for this, you need to do a fundamental, not technical analysis. So if you like this coin fundamentally, then yeah, this is definitely a chart that you want to use for opening a long position. Do I think that Cardano will reach current all-time high in the upcoming bull market? Well, to be honest, in my opinion, probably no. The main target that, let's say, I'm watching on this coin is this bearish order block or like the area slightly above, so let's say the level 1.28, which still is from a current level a pump around like 250%. Perhaps it can be like 350 something like that, but actually I'm not expecting that we are gonna get higher than, for example, this previous highs. But as I said, if you will be opening here a long trade and you like this coin fundamentally, then even if you will like trade it without leverage and you will risk that, let's say 100%, but there is actually, in my opinion, really small probability that this coin will go to zero, you are still having your risk reward ratio 2.5 to like 3.5. So this is actually another really amazing trade, and this is actually one of the most undervalued altcoins. If we are gonna take a look, for example, to like top 15 market cap altcoins, yeah, something like that. So yeah, this coin is definitely really interesting trading or like long-term opportunity. Okay guys, this will be all from me for today, and as I said, if you want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, or if you simply want to copy my analysis, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end. As I said, I will be really happy if you, for example, consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. See ya.